Hello, I'm Katie Bavoso from Partner POV here on site at Fortinet Cybersecurity Summit 2024 in Toronto, and I'm now joined by Ivo Wiens. He's the Field CTO of Cybersecurity for CDW Canada. Welcome.
Oh, happy to be here. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for joining me today. So let's first talk about your relationship, your partnership with Fortinet. Can you describe that partnership to me, and how does Fortinet support CDW to grow as a business?
We are highly dependent on each other. We are really close partners that really have a mutual relationship and a partnership that works really well. Fortinet provides amazing certifications, amazing training and partnership, and many, many other ways in which the channel team really works well with our team to make sure that our clients are comfortable when buying the technology through us. So it's a great relationship, a good symbiotic relationship between the two organizations for sure.
Let's dig more into that symbiotic relationship, as you said. Can you share a real-world success story with me in which you, CDW, and Fortinet were able to help a partner succeed?
Sure. So recently we had a large Canadian retailer that had a problem, two problems to solve. One of them is they needed to secure their remote workforce, which is common to everybody now, right? And the other problem that they had was they had these stores that they needed to not only provide connectivity, but also have it secure. So they came to us and said, we have this problem we need to solve. CDW, who is a fantastic company when it comes to logistics, when it comes to not only being able to sell the Fortinet product, but also the point of sale systems and all those other systems, we came together and really put together a store in a box. So that allows organizations not only to have this one-time ability to solve a problem, but a turnkey, scalable, copyable solution. So if you're adding another store in a remote location, you have the ability to just turn a key, get your point of sale systems, get your access points from Fortinet, get your switching, get your routing, get your firewalls all in one spot, and be able to continue to grow and focus on your business, right? Rather than just focusing on the technology pieces. So together with our services and our managed services, we allow this to happen together with Fortinet. And having the Fortinet team work so closely with us and having this amazing technological advances that we're seeing from Fortinet really ties in what we do as a large company, and Fortinet with a fantastic security partner for us.
Well, not to take attention away from CDW, but if there were some other solution providers in the channel who are wondering why they should partner with Fortinet, what would you say to them?
I think those who have explored it find it's pretty obvious. Fortinet has a fantastic training program. They do a great work when it comes to the channel, and they have experience in the channel. The channel folks we work with at Fortinet have been there for a long time. They're not new to this market. They know how that works. They know the ins and outs and the complications of having this relationship, and they are able to rise above it, right? We deal with a lot of different levels, a lot of different kinds of sellers in the market, but at the end of the day, that kind of support from Fortinet has been amazing for CDW, and it's proven in the success we've had together.
So what's next for CDW and Fortinet? What secrets can you share with me?
I'm really excited about FortiSASE. And I think FortiSASE will really expand the conversation for our clients. In the same way I talked about sort of store in a box, we're going to start talking about a secure managed network. So we have the ability to implement FortiSASE and bring that forward to our clients. The amazing developments that Fortinet's doing in the FortiSASE space is really valuable, but clients don't want to worry about the complication of the SASE. So if we bring this up a level and talk about a secure managed network, where we worry about the technical pieces and clients can just do their day-to-day business, I think that's going to be a great combination and a great opportunity to bake security right in rather than just trying to layer over top or create yet another role or another complication from a security perspective. So really excited about what we're going to do there and how that's going to go forward.